Hey, what's going on, world of YouTube and diecast fans? Welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. Um, Got a pretty short video here. This is a 44 Ford, one of my first or only online purchases that I got back in 2006, 2007. The reason I got this one is because it had a pretty cool decal along this edge here that had the words Marines. So when I first saw it, I thought it was the coolest thing ever. I ordered it. When it came home, it was nothing more than a cutout from a magazine that some clever individual just pasted on there with some glue and made it look pretty awesome when it was posted online. So they definitely got me with this one. As you can see on this side as well, the decal is right along here. It's been around for a little while. The wheels are corroded, so I just kind of threw it in a box, and it's been sitting there for quite some time now. But we're going to go ahead and restore it, and we're going to go ahead and put some of the what I think is cool decals back on there to make it look and stand out. I'm not going to go ahead and use these flames. I am going to swap them out with a different style. Hopefully it will look nice. Alright, here we have this one. And since I'm working on this type of model, I decided to take this one apart, a couple of these. And we're going to go ahead and redo these as well, just for fun. Right, here you have it. I have two of the 2019 castings and the center one, which is the original one that I purchased online. I hope that you like the transition from what they used to look like and what they look like now. I think they came out pretty cool, but please let me know, put it down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I will go ahead and show each of these in more detail. If you want to know what paint or colors I use for this, please put it down in the comments, and again I will go ahead and provide that feedback as well. A little aerial view of some of the decals on the top. Alright, so here you have the original casting, one that I was very excited to receive in the mail. To my disappointment, it was nothing more than just a pasted magazine word on there with the words Marines. But that's okay. It's been sitting around for a while, and I think here's the new and improved 44 Ford. And I personally think it came out really nice. It's one of my better castings now. Really like how everything came out together. Got the bulldog right there, smiling. Got the red monoblock wheels. They go real well with the color. So again, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. Got some pretty cool stuff coming up here in the near future. A little top view. All right, and then working with this casting, took one, left a hole right there for the engine, and then another one, I went and covered it up. I will go ahead and show both here in a few minutes, or a few seconds. All right, here is the first, and this one here, it's got a purple, call it the Joker's Ride. Got some decals that I put together. They're a little bit hard to see here with the lighting, so I do apologize for that. If I can get a better view, I will show that. But really nice color on this particular casting. Looks great. They've got top decal there. Alright, and here is my Grim Reaper casting. I think this one came out awesome as well. I think the pink is a little bit off, a little bit more like Pepto-Bismol, but still it's looking pretty good. Got the decals. I think that they were well placed, how they came out on there. And this is my Grim Reaper casting. This one, as you can see, the hood part, I covered the hole there with some paste, and I was able to attach that decal there. Again, please let me know which of the 3 castings you like the best. I think I like all of them, but the red one with the Marines decal on there, for me, it's the better one. Also because the hood pops open, and I think that's cool. A few pictures here after I placed it on my display case along my wall. And thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click like. Again, I do have some exciting stuff coming up, and one of those things is probably to remake this wall display here. Got some of my other models here that I have customized, so please enjoy. And thank you again. Please come back.